Sheppard of the Hills Mountain Coaster. Let's do this.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. I don't like riding this ride, but I'm going to try it. Here with me and my papa, and today we are going to ride this roller coaster, and I don't know what kind it is, so make sure to get a good look and subscribe to this video. Bye guys. Hi guys, today we're gonna ride Copperhead Mountain Coaster today. I'm so excited to try it. This is going to be my first time, and apparently it's been voted #1 in America. So I'm kind of excited to ride it. I'm so excited. I'm going to attempt it. I'm excited too. Don't like it? I won't do it again. If I love it, I'll do it later when I come back here. Leaving after this today, so yeah. I'm so excited! Here we go, guys!
Alright. Make sure you're hanging on to that tight for me, okay? Just gotta lock on it. Okay. Awesome. Alright. I'm having you push the handlebars all the way down towards me. Have you ever done a mountain coaster? Awesome. Just make sure when you're going, if you decide to slow down, make sure you're not coming to any complete stops while you're out there, and just don't bump into anybody else. Other than that, you should be good. It's going to automatically send you guys off here in just a second, but you guys have fun. Thank you. Yep. You ready, dude?
Here we go, guys.
Hey, you. There you go. Oh, here we go. Are you ready? You ready, dude? We're going to fly. Here we go. Woohoo!
Here we go, guys!
Yeah! Big drop! You better hang on to that, dude. Woo! Here we go. You got us? Wee, wee, wee. Are we fast?
Yeah! You're fast!
We're flying over.
Yeah. Sorry guys. Now we're going crazy ride, but sorry. We're going fast.
We're going fast?
Yeah, we're going again.
I think that's pretty much the whole ride. Now we're just we just gotta ride all the way back up now. Ride on this cable. Woo! How was that, dude?
That was fun.
Did we fly down?
Well, they don't drink on me too much.
Was we pretty fast? What do you think?
Guys, what is that?
What do you think, man? I think we were flying.
That was good.
You ever been on a mountain coaster?
No.
Awesome.
The one, but not this one.
Not this one? All right. I'll be putting the handlebars all the way down towards me. Perfect. Do you remember how to slow down and everything?
I can't drive this.
Just pulling back, right?
Yep.
I'm not driving this.
He's talking to me.
Oh, stop driving.
They will.
Just make sure you don't come to any complete stops while you're out there, and just don't bump into anybody else.
Okay.
I'm not going to be good. It's going to automatically send you guys off here in just a second, but you guys have fun.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Now, while you want this, make sure you Here we go. We're fixing to start going. You ready?
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Yeah?
I think it did.
Make sure you look and enjoy the ride too.
Keep moving. Do not stop.
Here we go.
Do it.
Here we go. Hey, hold still. As long as the Whoa!
I did not try to do that.
You didn't do it. It slowed us down. You got a nice little ride there. Looky there.
It's not pretty ride.
You're not even holding on to.
Good job.
Oh, you trying to hold that ride?
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh, now we're going uphill. We're pretty well done. I just let go of this. Look around and enjoy. Taking us back uphill now. Now you enjoy the countryside.
Where you guys from? Okay. How far of a drive is that?
About 4 hours.
Alright, well that's a good little drive. Alright, I'll have you push it all the way down towards me.
There we go.
Have you guys been on a mountain coaster?
Yeah.
Yes. I can't tell if you
It'll
can see
automatically
your
put you on here in about 10 seconds.
Okay.
On this one.
Bear.
The camera's gonna catch this too.
You ready?
No.
Here we go.
Thought it was gonna be.
80 foot here. Oh. Please don't turn off. Yeah, please.
Hey, you gotta hold that camera up.
Oh dear God, how fast!
It's got automatic brakes when it starts to tip.
Because I'm just... We're capsizing the brakes. How you like that? Capsizing the brakes here.
Keep moving, don't stop!
Stop! We're tipping the brakes. Just so y'all know, we're tipping the brakes. 2 grown people are not supposed to be on this.
I pulled the brakes back a couple times.
Slow, track ends at 100 feet. Do not kill us off. Oh, we survived.
That was fun.
That was fun. But that guy was enjoying hearing me scream the whole way down.
I bet YouTube's gonna love it too.
Yeah. Oh, it will. At least I don't have to worry about tipping now.
Yeah.
We only capsized the brakes the whole way down.
I pulled the brakes a couple times.
You said it had natural brakes.
Well, it did, but I did pull the
Keep
brakes a
us on
couple
it.
times. Well, we just got off of it, and boy, I had fun. What'd you think, Nate Dogg? Gracie Poo, what'd you think of it?
I thought it was wonderful, so fun.
Mom?
We had a great time. We was going fast, wasn't we, Grace? Enjoyed the scenery and flying through the woods, huh?
And me and
Super
my
fun.
papa
Thumbs up.
were going super fast, like sort of fast, and we was like, whoa, 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 hello, Papa, we are passing,
Babe, what'd you think about riding with me?
It was fun. Y'all enjoy hearing me scream the whole entire time because I swear we're about to rip off the track.
Listen,
If you're in the area, definitely check it out. It was fun.
warning, if you have sound problems, do not watch this video. You should probably put that in. Don't do that again.
No, this is at the end of the video.
No.
Hope you guys liked it. See you guys soon.
You better put that warning in the front.
No, I'm not doing the running in the front.